Int. Stone door chamber knights. Zayan inserts the crescent artifact into the hollow. The stone door rumbles open, revealing a glowing corridor lined with hourglass-shaped lanterns. Alina ye jaga, wakt ka ras chupa rahi hai, R-A-Y, A. Only those who respect time may pass through it. Ink's Timekeeper's vault. Moments later, they entered a massive circular chamber. In the center floats a giant suspended hourglass, its sand glowing with golden light. Around it, gears turn silently in the air. Zayan, Kisi, Ordania Collecta. A holographic figure appears. The Timekeeper, cloaked in shifting light. Timekeeper, you seek the eye of eternity, but time demands a price. The trial of time. The Timekeeper splits the trio into 3 timelines. Zayan is sent to the past, reliving his first failure. Alina is sent to the future, where she sees herself alone. Rayaan is trapped in a loop, repeating the same moment endlessly. Each must break free by accepting their choices, not changing them. Int. Vault reunion, they return. Change, but stronger. The hourglass glows brighter. A new relic appears, a silver dial with shifting symbols. Timekeeper, you have passed, but beware. The eye sees more than you know. The chamber begins to fade. A new path opens. A staircase of floating gears leading upward. Zayan, let's keep moving. Time won't wait. To be continued.